But I mean, I'm sure by now you heard say, Ken one team when they have their dinner. When I'm shake but to say the
that is the most you see that is the most stupid statement anybody will make. No, listen, my brother, listen. You see, don't allow people. A lot of people want to use the political situation at the moment. MPP no, ubia no situation unity ubia be use any propaganda just to suit their own political whims and caprices. And it's so sad. It's so sad to say Canada, Japan no any wound to me problem. How many problem there? Me. Debbie, I know the political talk. Debbie, listen, as I make a bro, politically, you can throw salvos at your political when the heat goes on. Are there any MPP for be attacking me? So Uzubepako make a statement and people have attacked me. Doesn't mean that we are enemies. One to me, any Kennedy Japan, we are very close. As far as I know, because Obia, very close. Kennedy Japan, when I was growing up as a child, and we from now, business abroad. One to me, grow up in collaborate. What you saying? I know the two of them. Obia no Ghana, these two gentlemen more than me. It will be catch or say, a sound microphone, Bawumia, a supporters, Nechima, almost answer who almost bonk for power, and Momka answer who. So man, you careful. They will destroy the man's political career. And I'm not why. Me see, so man, you careful. Dr. Bawumia, I'm be destroy the political career. I'm a political strategist. I know what I'm talking about. So man, take care. Na sa va propaganda we kosu. Aminia. Dr. Bawumia, the political career be ending because if you allow yourself for propagandists to use you to achieve their own ultimately put your foot down and say something against it. Now no me was I say back we be the okopu sapwa the one. Me kura mentini din da. Me na mako grant me interview nkofo didi matem. And mako grant me interview. Makansa me jam fi issue ho asem. And nkofo attack me. Omo ye omo kura no dem inform. The silence majority are there and they know and they understand. Unu ma hemfo aframe on this particular matter. Unim asofo a total organ and omo aframe on that particular matter. Enti we don't care about them talking about it, but the point is that ono obeka na mentini din grada minim ba bi kro free etim na mako wesi metan mako reply so bi di fukun safwa o se kwakun safwa o se wa me fa no mentini din grada mentini din da I'm telling you mentini din da mentini and I'm not lying mentini din etim ma so mako reply no this is the kind of politics that is going on ya a bit destroy me say no young man in MPP and no experience or politics e chen me osubempa me say let anybody tell you, say, why not hanging around a president? What do you manage so for 19 years? It would do you do so at your own peril. The point that I'm making, minim the America. Such propaganda, such vilif. Bawumia came into the political limelight with a perception of humility. A perception of I do no evil. That kind of perception, a gun of who know. Now me auntie was papa your bread and one say ni ade ne obi chena dream or internal politics na di pano ye obi or internally look at the vampires that are high to attack people. Last time interview I'm no here me can be bonitiano. You were even pushing me. I didn't even mention his name, but look at the virtuous attack. Vilification from a group of people we are on one side. The American it is politics. Meaning it is politics to the extent that a group of people are insulting Akuffo Addo on his behalf. A group of people on social media. Can you have some? Akuffo Addo, who made you? Akuffo Addo. Now you do what there should be a press statement coming out to disassociate yourself from those recalcitrant statement that is coming out. Asemo American untie. The American is say, may say, Asemo American the people around there. Then that is to show lack of leadership. I'm sorry. Yes, of course, because na sebi openi kutifie na nkofo atwanwahia di atem vilify nkofo. What do you do? What do you do? You call them to order. Me say Kennedy Japan will call me to order if I say something that is bad.
But not publicly.
He said to me, personally, says he disagree with me. Oh. That is a leader. Yes. He told me, say that he disagree with me. He disagree with me.
But one kind of public.
Oh, it doesn't. What kind of public? Oko UPS. No.
For all you know,
Tete. Mami chwade. Oko UPS. Oko UPS. Kokai. He mentioned it in UPA. Canada, Japan said it in UPS. Obo midi. Messi Okan UPS. The point that I'm making.
So,
that
is granted. But you can't forward Bawumia. These people are attacking Akuffo. You can't forward Bawumia.
You are getting the whole point wrong. You are getting it all.
No, because if you don't have information, you have no idea to defend.
Listen, the first time I'm showing video, social media, Obi Jina Sudi di Akuffo Addo atem. Or say or no nema Bawumia lose elections. That person is no person mention names.
Oh, but
no. Listen, I don't want. They say I don't want to glorify. I can tell you off air, but I don't want to glorify anybody because I'm dealing with those social media rants because it's irrelevant to me. The point that I'm making is that person is a social person who be any organa no vilify Akuffo Addo in the full glare of the general public on behalf of this Dr. Bawumia. And then as a leader, this is very dangerous. A idea, a BB, the leadership, no baby, and yet one person, two person, politically exposed around Dr. Bawumia. I've been attacking Akuffo Addo say, oh no, you lose elections. Is that how to go? Is that the way to go? Is that the way to go? Yakotu abawiye na musumu pe unity. Unity ya yeka wasemi. Yatu abani nyine, we are all said and done ye flag bearer. Why records ni yadeko President Akuffo Addo, nobody can take him out of MPP or somebody can vilify him and get away with it. You are appointing sir, or more party moi, or me dia dia kesiye. And yet, they are the people who are sit aloof and watch Akuffo Addo being vilified. Anything I am yano. Say sa propaganda ya odi Canada Japan asemi bae. And America say it is not only Canada Japan omde sa propaganda we di no. A new phenomenon be almost starting. Now we have politics now starting sa. The silence majority no. The silence majority no. They are out there. And Nanan will grant him interview. I be catching or say those are the people who decide. What you say? And who been a 2 year no? They didn't listen. They failed to listen to the silent majority. And they went out there, and this is what happened to us. And you lose it. Nipa say 2.1 million.
I mean, you've made.
You think you can take them for granted? The same mistakes that they repeated. They want to repeat the same mistakes. And go, yes, of course. They are doing the same mistakes. The same, nothing has changed.